World Tourism Day, 27th September 2024. Theme: and peace. Look at these pictures. Tourism, often highlighted for its role in economic development, also plays a significant role in fostering peace. This sector can be provided as the epitome of intercultural dialogue. It allows meeting the other, learning about different cultures, hearing foreign languages, tasting exotic flavors, bonding with other human beings, and building tolerance. In essence, it is mind broadening, educational, and spiritual experience. World Tourism Day 2024, under the theme Tourism and Peace, wants to highlight the vital role of this sector is fostering peace and understanding between nations and cultures, and in supporting reconciliation process. How to make tourism as an instrument for peace. Tourism can serve as an instrument for peace by fostering understanding, cultural exchange, and cooperation among diverse groups. Here are 7 ways to achieve this. 1. Promote cultural exchange. Encourage tourism that highlights the cultural tradition, heritage, and lifestyles of different communities. This can help break down stereotypes and foster mutual respect. 2. Facilitate people-to-people diplomacy. Tourism can act as a platform for informal diplomacy, allowing people from different countries to interact, share experiences, and build personal connections that transcend political tensions. 3. Support sustainable and ethical tourism. Promote tourism that respects the environment and local communities, helps build goodwill, and demonstrates the potential for peaceful coexistence. This can be done through ecotourism or community-based tourism initiatives. 4. Encourage conflict-affected areas to embrace tourism. Tourism can help revitalize economics in regions affected by conflict, fostering peace by creating jobs, improving infrastructure, and showing that peaceful interactions are possible. 5. Develop educational tourism program. Organizing educational trips and exchanges that emphasize historical, cultural, and social understanding can instill a sense of global citizenship and a desire for peace. 6. Promote interfaith and multicultural tourism, creating tours that visit significant religious or multicultural sites, encourages dialogue between different faiths and cultures, helping to reduce intolerance and misunderstanding. 7. Empower local communities. Involving local communities in tourism development ensures they benefit economically, reducing grievances that may lead to conflict. The shared economic gain fosters social harmony and peace. By leveraging tourism in these bases, societies can build peaceful relationships and reduce conflict through mutual respect and understanding. Thank you. Have a happy World Tourism Day.